So now I'm going to show you some things to look for on your roof and preps for hurricane season. This is a telltale sign of a shingle that is at its life expectancy. These shingles have a strip. You can still see the leftover roof cement strip that's on this shingle. It's all dried. It's just completely deteriorated. And when that happens, it causes the shingle to become loose, and the shingle no longer adheres to the shingle under it. Then when that happens, you get high winds come in, the wind gets up under the shingle, flips the shingle over. Then that causes a whole another can of worms for you, because now you have seams that are exposed to the weather, exposed to water. This will allow water to get in to your roof system, and which will in turn begin to deteriorate it. You'll have problems with water damage, deck damage, your roof deck will rot out, etc., etc. Now I'm going to show you how to fix a flipped up shingle with roof cement. I've got another video on my YouTube channel that shows how to use roof cement, how to set it up. So you can go and watch that video, then come back to this video and I'll show you how to seal up this shingle that's flipped up. What we want to do is we just want to run a bead of roof cement in the crease to seal this seam up where the shingle's separated, just like so. Then I like to put a little bit of roof cement over the nail head to seal it, and then I like to put roof cement in the seam where the two shingles meet to seal it so water can't go in there. Then I'm going to place a small bead of roof cement on the edge of the shingle, like so, to help it adhere to the shingle when you flip it over. Then, just carefully, try not to get this roof cement on you, just flip the shingle back over into the bed of roof cement, like so, and then just press down lightly and bed it into the roof cement. This is a good temporary fix that will seal this up until you can have your roof replaced by a roofing contractor. Thanks.